So today we're gonna do the special dessert for Christmas. This little guy, a snowman. So it's made with a meringue, some almond, and right here we're gonna put some ice cream. So for this I use just a vanilla ice cream. You can use whatever you want. Raspberry, sorbet, ice cream if you want. If you want something gluten-free, I would advise to use a sorbet. So for that, I'm gonna fill up the ice cream inside the snowman. Go. Push it because I like vanilla ice cream. And the result will be like that. So after that, whipped cream, you can do it homemade or just buy it. Cream. So what I like, they do a fork, and I want it to look like the snow. Here we go. After I'm ready, and in my little room. Okay. Here we go. Here. And after, for the show, we're going to do a little bit of powdered sugar. Let's add some macaron. We're gonna add this one, tiramisu, one of my favorite. Over there. We're gonna put some raspberry one. And it makes you even a better dessert for that.